Let's use the inflation spreadsheet to have a look at the actual inflation going back to 1913 and how it impacts our purchasing power. On this tab named BLS Data Series, you see the actual inflation data. It's been averaged over here into an annual value. Here is a plot of those annual values, and you can read about that in the book. Let's look at these couple of lessons to understand how to work this spreadsheet. Let's say that you had $100 in 1913 and you'd like to know what would be the equivalent of that purchasing power going forward in time. So here is the $100 in 1913, and just scroll down to say 1965. That would be the equivalent in 1965 of having $319, or the equivalent today of having in 2024 almost $3,200 in terms of purchasing power. Now let's have a look at, say, salaries in terms of their purchasing power. Let's do lesson 3, where we're going to have a look at a salary of, say, $10,000 in 1965 and compare that to previous years as well as to later years. So in here, we'll type in 1965 and then type in $10,000 for 1965. Well, had you had a $10,000 salary in 1965, the equivalent purchasing power of that would be $3,100 in 1913. And now we're just going to scroll down here. Here's 1965 with 10,000. And now we'll go forward all the way to 2024 and see that that would be actually a really remarkable salary in terms of purchasing power of nearly $100,000.